In this program, we are using if else to check if a number is even or odd. So we need a number from the user. For that, we are using this input function along with the message and asking the user to enter a number. The value received by this input function will be default string type that has to be converted into integer. So we are doing the typecasting using this int function, and we are storing the value in this variable. Now we are putting a if condition up over here, and we are checking when we divide this number which is given by the user. When we divide this number by 2, so because you are using the modulus operator in between up over here, so it will return the remainder. So we are checking whether the remainder is equals to 0. So if this condition will be true, then we are printing the message that this number, the name of the variable which is holding the value, along with the message that this is a even number. At the runtime, the variable will be replaced by its value. If this condition is false, that the remainder is not 0, so it will come to the else part and it will print up over here that this number is an odd number. And when we run the program up over here, so you can see that it is asking us to enter a number, let's say 10, and press enter. So it says that 10 is an even number because this condition was true, so it is printing this print function. Let's run it one more time, and this time let's say the value is 11. Press enter, and this time the remainder is not 0, so it is saying that 11 is an odd number. So because the condition was false, so it is coming to the else part and printing this statement.